Okay, so the other day you walked and ran and did other things on the track, and you measured your speed in meters per second. So now you're going to convert that meters per second speed to miles per hour speed that you're more used to. Right down here we see 1 meter per second is equal to 2.2 miles per hour. Typographical error here, that's really 2.2. All right, so your first step is going to be to copy these times that you had down to right here. So I'm going to put 2.2 meters per second, and now I need to convert that to miles per hour. So I just have to multiply that by, I'm going to put 2 here because that's how fast I was. And I'm just going to multiply that by 2.2. So my speed is equal to 2 meters per second, which is how fast I was on the track, times 2.2, and that's going to give me my speed in miles per hour. Okay, so my speed in miles per hour on the track was 4.4 miles per hour. So go ahead and enter your running speed, and then here you'll multiply that speed by 2.2, and that'll give you your speed running in miles per hour, and then whatever else you did, whether it was skipping or whatever you did. Okay. So then you're going to do the next 2 pages in this packet, which are just practice. They're just speed problems practice. So, for example, and the key thing here is that you show your work. That's what I'm going to be grading you on, is showing your work. All right. So remember, we have 3 steps. The first step is to write down the problem, or the formula. We're just going to say speed equals distance over time. Then we're going to substitute in the values. So Pedro drove 205 miles, that's my distance. And my time is he did that in 4 hours. Okay, and now I'm just going to solve that. So I'll do 205.0 divided by 4. First thing I'll do is bring my decimal up so I don't forget to do that. How many times is 4 going to 2? None. 20. 5. Remainder 0. Bring the 5 down here. 4 goes into 5 one time. Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring the decimal down. 4 goes into 10 2 times. And notice I have everything running nice and neat. That's going to be the key to not having mathematical errors. 4 times 2 is 8. Remainder 2. Make another 0 here. So 4 goes into 20. 5 times again, so 51.25, and we always answer to the nearest tenth. So this hundredths place 5 is going to round that 2 to a 3. So I'm going to say 51.3 miles per hour. Okay, and so you're going to go ahead and finish this page right here for practice speed problems, and then you can come over here and we have a second one. It's along the same lines.